Hello, first grade! I'm Mr. Ouija and I teach 504.
And I'm Miss Pizzula who teaches 505.
And today we're going to teach you a game called
Guess My Rule.
So, this game is kind of like Guess Who. So, Mr. Ouija is going to think of a shape in my head and I'm going to describe the shape using the rules or the attribute that the shape would look like. And Miss Pizzula is going to try to sort the shapes in front of her to try to guess the shape that's in my head.
I have to try to guess. Yep. Okay.
Are you ready? Okay. Before we get started with the game, I think it'll be helpful for us to quickly rename some of the shapes that we have in front of us.
Here I have a cylinder.
Here I have a cube.
Here I have a rectangular prism.
Here I have a triangular prism.
Here I have a cone.
Here I have a pyramid.
And over here I have a sphere.
Okay, Miss Pizzula, are you ready to play?
I am ready.
Okay.
Wish me luck, grade 1.
So, the shape that I've in my head, let me just put it in there, has a curve in it.
His shape has a curve. Interesting. His face has a curve. Well, let me see. Out of the shapes that I have here in front of me, I know that the cylinder has a curved shape, so it could be the cylinder. The cone has a curved shape, so it could be the cone. And the sphere has a curved shape, so it could be the sphere. Looking at the rest of the shapes that I have here, none of these shapes have a curved edge or curved face. So, Mr. Ouija, I don't think it's any of these. I think the shape is one of these three here.
Amazing thinking, Miss Pizzula. Wow, you really thought about that very, very carefully. Okay, let me give you the next clue. The next clue is my shape has at least one circular face. It has one circle face.
One circle face. Well, I know that the cylinder has two circular faces, one on this side, one on this side. So that's got some circular faces. And my cone has circular faces. But the sphere only has a curved face, doesn't have a circular face. So I'm going to take away the sphere because, Mr. Ouija, I think it's either the cylinder or the cone based on your rules.
Wow. You really, really thought about that one. I'm going to try to trick you a little bit. My shape can roll.
My shape can roll. Well, if I do this to the cylinder can roll. And if I turn the cone on its side, the cone can roll. That didn't eliminate any of these, which means that, Mr. Ouija, I need another clue to find out exactly what your shape is.
Wow, okay, didn't trick you on that one. My shape comes up to a point.
I know that my cylinder doesn't come up to a point, and I know that my cone does. Mr. Ouija, is your shape a cone?
That's right.
No.
Your shape is the cone. Nice job, Miss Pizzula. Okay, now it's your turn.
All right, Mr. Ouija, ready to guess my shape?
I am ready.
Okay, my shape has a square face, at least one square face.
At least one square face. Okay, well, let me do some thinking. I'm looking at the cylinder, and the cylinder has circular faces, so it mustn't be the cylinder. I'm looking at the cone, and the base of the cone also has a circular face, so it mustn't be the cone. I'm looking at the rectangular prism, and it's got one square face and two square face. Miss Pizzula said at least one square face, so I know that rectangular prism could be one of them. And then I'm looking at the cube. The cube don't only just have one square face. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square faces. And I'm looking at the pyramid, and it's also got a square face right on the bottom. So I would have to say it's the pyramid, the rectangular prism, and the square, and not any of these shapes over here.
Nice work, Mr. Ouija. Good thinking. You're getting close. I have another clue for you.
Okay.
And my next clue is that my shape does not have any triangular faces. No triangle faces.
No triangle faces. Your shape does not have any triangular faces. Well, I'm looking at the cube. It's only made up of square faces. And then I'm looking at the rectangular prism, and it's made of rectangular faces and also square faces. But I'm looking at the pyramid, and the pyramid are made of 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces. So I think I'm going to eliminate the pyramid. Must be these two shapes.
Great thinking, Mr. Ouija. You're so close. Okay,
Thank
I've
you.
got one last clue.
Whoa.
And my last clue is that my shape has every side that is a square. Every face of my shape is a square.
Every face of your shape is a square. Well, let me have a look at the rectangular prism. The rectangular prism only has 2 square faces. The rest are rectangle. So it must mean the cube.
Good work, Mr. Ouija. Nice job. Excellent work.
Thank you very
So,
much.
grade 1, now it's your turn. You're going to try and sort the shapes, and you're going to try this exact game that we just tried together, but with your family instead. You can do it with your mum or your dad, your brother or sister, or maybe auntie, or maybe grandma or grandpa's around. So it's your turn to try this yourself and sort your shape.
Now, when you are sorting your shape, make sure that you're using precise math words, precise shape words. Did you see how Miss Pazula and Mr. Ouija used attribute names like face, corners, sides? You can try that too when you're playing the game. Go have fun, first grade.
Good luck, first grade.
Bye-bye.